And sometimes I want the Geeks on Tour photo, and sometimes I want the Chris Guld photo. You can now change that while you're in a meeting. And so I want to show you that. You click the three dots on your square. Edit profile picture is what I want to show you. Yeah. There we go. Now you're seeing me bigger. But if I turn off my video, I'm getting my photo. But let's say I'm joining a Zoom meeting of old high school friends, and I want to have a high school picture as my profile picture. I can click those three dots and edit profile picture, and then I can change the picture and get something from my computer, my high school picture, and you can zoom in and out a little bit and save. So now if I am on a Zoom meeting with my high school friends, they'll recognize me.
You haven't changed a bit.
Yeah, okay.